राज्यांत 13 ते 15 नोव्हेंबर मजगतीं मिरामार दर्यावेळ पयली अखिल गोंय बीच व्हॉलीबॉल पुलीस कप जावपाचें आसा. हो टोर्नामेंट दादलो तशेंच बायलां खातीर आसा, अशी माहिती IPS अधिकारी कार्तिक कश्यप हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स्को खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
I take great pleasure in announcing that we are going to organize the first All Goa State Beach Volleyball Police Cup, which will be held at Miramar Beach from 13th November to 15th November. We'll have 3 courts there. It will be an All Goa All State Championship. Both men as well as women players, beach volleyball players will be participating in this event, and we'll be having at least 3 courts there. Matches for this tournament will start on 7 AM on 13th, even though the inaugural function will be keeping it on 13th evening, and finals, semi-finals and finals will be held on 15th. Because this is a beach volleyball competition, an initiative that is taken by Goa Police Sports Unit. It is an initiative to promote community policing, to instill a spirit of fitness and sportsmanship, not just among people of our department, but to develop a healthy relationship with the general public also. With this initiative, we expect that our relations with the public will promote friendly ties and will help to improve the image of police.
We have a lot of players in police departments who are representing volleyball. Down the years, Goa Police has been a team registered with the Goa Volleyball Association, and they have put in lots of efforts to participate in championships all over Goa. Today, we still have players who are playing for Goa Volleyball Association and Goa State, and it's going to be a very great event, that beach volleyball under the banner of Police Cup in association with Goa Volleyball Association is going to take off from 13th to 15th.